The staff of a Cathay Pacific flight bound for Kaohsiung Tuesday morning discovered a tiny bird in the passenger cabin just before takeoff. A small commotion ensued. Boarding was immediately suspended as passengers tried to catch the bird. The delay lasted about 50 minutes, but thankfully, all passengers and crew arrived safely in Kaohsiung.
During boarding procedures, a bird was suddenly discovered to have flown into the aircraft. Airline staff immediately suspended operations and boarding was only resumed after appropriate measures were taken. This incident caused a delay of approximately 50 minutes to the flight's departure. Usually we ask passengers to assist by carefully covering the bird with a coat or other clothing. If it is not possible to catch the bird this way, we will promptly request the ground staff to bring nets or other professional bird catching equipment to safely capture it.
Good thing the bird was discovered before takeoff, averting an even greater panic during the flight. Cathay Pacific stated that based on flight passenger safety considerations, the company immediately notified the relevant authorities according to procedures and resumed boarding only after completing the necessary checks. They sincerely apologize for the inconvenience caused passengers.